Top 3 drinks that improve poor blood circulation. Did you know that the right drink could transform how you feel each day? Imagine starting your morning with just one simple drink, knowing it's helping your heart pump more smoothly, giving your body the energy it craves, and keeping you feeling young and vibrant. Poor circulation isn't just a matter of feeling tired, it's a sign that the body is struggling to deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Left unchecked, poor circulation can contribute to fatigue, discomfort, and even the risk of heart disease over time. But the solution might be easier than we think, hidden in a few powerful natural drinks that can transform how blood flows through the body. And no, I'm not about to tell you to give up coffee. Don't worry, I know better than to mess with your morning rituals. Have you ever noticed that sluggish feeling during the day or cold hands and feet that just won't warm up? If you're nodding along, these simple, affordable drinks could be your answer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these 3 easy drinks to boost your circulation, feel more energized, and support a healthy, long-lasting heart. So, are you ready to take charge of your health one sip at a time? Let's start with a drink that's as bold as it is powerful: beetroot juice. As we dive into the benefits of beetroot juice, explain how this vibrant drink is much more than a colorful vegetable in your salad. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which, when consumed, transform into nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide might sound technical, but here's the fascinating part. It's a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. This relaxation allows blood to flow more freely, lowering blood pressure and enhancing circulation. Reference recent studies showing that beetroot juice improves blood flow, reduces blood pressure, and boosts stamina by increasing oxygen flow throughout the body. In fact, in one study, people who drank beet juice experienced improved blood flow in just hours, a boost that can be felt with each sip. You could even mention that athletes have been using beet juice for years to enhance endurance thanks to its blood flow boosting power. Don't like beets? Trust me, it tastes better than it sounds. And think of it this way: the only red you'll be seeing is in your juice, not on your blood pressure monitor. But beet juice is only the beginning. Next up, a drink that's likely already in your kitchen and holds a surprising secret for better circulation. Drink number 2, green tea. Now let's talk about an ancient powerhouse with modern benefits. Green tea is not just a relaxing ritual, it's filled with powerful compounds called catechins. These antioxidants are renowned for supporting blood vessel health, which means they help keep circulation steady and arteries flexible. Regular green tea consumption has even been associated with a lower risk of heart disease thanks to these powerful compounds. A study from recent years that found a direct connection between daily green tea consumption and improved blood flow. These studies suggest that people who drank green tea daily had healthier blood vessels and a lower risk of heart issues. The catechins in green tea work by reducing inflammation and preventing blood vessel stiffness, key factors in keeping circulation smooth. Adding 1 to 2 cups of green tea to the daily routine, perhaps as a replacement for afternoon coffee. Green tea has a lower caffeine content, making it a good option even later in the day without affecting sleep. Who knew something as simple as sipping tea could keep your heart in such a good mood? And yes, you can still keep your morning coffee. Drink number 3, ginger and turmeric elixir. Finally, we have the ultimate combination in circulation boosting power, a ginger and turmeric elixir. Ginger and turmeric have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their incredible anti-inflammatory and circulation boosting properties. Ginger naturally encourages better circulation, while turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is known to support artery health and reduce the risk of blood clots by keeping blood vessels open and flexible. Together, these 2 spices create a potent drink for improving blood flow and promoting heart health. Research highlighting the individual and combined effects of ginger and turmeric on blood flow. Curcumin, found in turmeric has been shown to improve blood vessel health and reduce inflammation. When paired with ginger, which also has anti inflammatory effects, this drink supports circulation on multiple levels, helping keep blood vessels flexible and promoting better oxygen flow throughout the body. Add fresh ginger slices and a pinch of turmeric to warm water, and if desired, a touch of honey for sweetness. This drink is particularly comforting on chilly mornings and easy to make at home. So imagine starting each day with these drinks in your routine. But what impact does it really have on your life? Beetroot juice for immediate blood vessel relaxation and blood pressure support, green tea for long term vascular health through antioxidants, and the ginger turmeric elixir to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. While each drink individually offers incredible benefits, incorporating them together could multiply these effects, supporting circulation on different fronts, helping you feel energized, healthier, and ready to take on the day with vitality. Starting with a single glass of beet juice in the morning or winding down with a warm ginger turmeric tea at night may seem simple, but these little steps toward better circulation can add up over time. Imagine how you'll feel a month or even a year from now after adding these powerful drinks to your daily routine. And if you're as excited as I am to keep discovering ways to feel your best, check out my video on the top foods you must eat before you die for a longer, healthier life.